Hello guys, welcome once again to Sparky Media. In this video tutorial, we are going to be talking about this online platform which claims that user can earn money by watching videos, known as DramaRush. Is DramaRush a legitimate platform or just another scam platform in disguise designed to waste people's time or to waste people's data? In this video tutorial, we are going to be revealing and exposing every single details you need to know about this platform known as DramaRush. All you need to do is to calm down and watch this video from beginning to the end without skipping any single line, because in this very video you are going to find out if this platform is actually a legitimate platform or just another scam platform in disguise. All these things we are going to be looking into in this very video without any compromise. Okay, but before I proceed with this video, guys, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Sparky, aka Legit Boss. What I do on this my channel is all about business. I share business tips, money making ideas on daily basis on this my channel. So if you're hearing my voice for the first time or you're coming across my channel for the first time, all you need to do for you not to miss out any of my latest updates is to hit on that subscribe button shown on your screen and then turn on the notification bell so that to be notified whenever I release new videos on legitimate ways by which one can earn money online. So that is what I share here in my channel on daily basis. Then at the end of this video, I'll be leaving my WhatsApp group link in the comment section of this video. You can also use it to join us for more business tips, more updates, more money making ideas on daily basis. So that is what I share there in my WhatsApp group basically. Okay, so before I proceed with this video, I will love to lay a clear disclaimer. This video is meant for educational and review purpose only and not a financial advice. I am not giving financial advice and I do not guarantee earnings, and I am not a financial advisor. So therefore you are advised to make research before using any platform. That is my advice to anyone who is watching my video. Always make research before you use any platform. It is very, very essential because it will help you make informed decision. Okay, so in this video we'll be talking about what is DramaRush is all about and how does it work and how can one earn money on the platform. Then we'll be talking about how can one withdraw money on the platform. We'll be talking about if this platform is even a legitimate platform or just another scam platform in disguise. These are the things we are going to learn in this very review video. Okay, now let's dive into the business. What is DramaRush all about? DramaRush is a short movie based platform, short or mini series based platform which claim that user can make money by watching those videos. They claim that when one is watching the video that they can earn coins and they can also earn through daily check-in. So that is what the platform claims. So now how real is this? Now how does it work? First, for one to start earning on this platform, he or she needs to have the app in his or her phone, and then they claim that once you have the app in your phone and you are watching an episode, and then you can see the option of the movies here, and then they claim that once you finish completing this movie that you can earn the coins or you can claim the coins which the movie is generating, which you can see here. So they also have the one they say dramas for you, where you can select episode, and then they claim that one can watch all these movies to earn coins, and they claim that those coins people are earning can be withdrawn. We shall find out if it is real or fake in this very video. So calm down, watch this video because everything will be explained and exposed without any compromise. So they claim that one can earn money by watching all those videos, coins precisely. Now I have explained every single thing about this platform. They also claim that user can withdraw money by clicking on exchange to withdraw. How real is this, and when one withdraw, will he or she be paid? We are going to be looking into all that in this very video. Okay, now that I have finished explaining every single details you should know about this platform, how it works and what it's basically all about. So this is a short drama movie platform where one can watch video for the purpose of entertainment or for the purpose of getting reward as they claim. So the one thing we need to take note here is that this platform claim that people can make money by watching video, and that is their advert, which we shall find out if it is legit or scam. That is what they are advertising to people. So we shall find out if it is real or fake in this very video. Okay, so before I proceed to tell you guys if this platform is legit or scam, can any of you watching this video record the platform they call Tick Cash? Tick Cash. Can any of you record that video? And can any of you record the platform they call Earn Mode app? And can any of you watching this video recall the platform they are calling VidN or Video Cash. Now, if you can recall or you know any of this platform or have used any of this platform I just mentioned in this video now, then you will know that they are all the same. They are all the same. And what I mean by they are all the same is that this platform, they are being operated by one person. What they are doing is that they are using people as means of traffic to their site or to their apps, and their apps are monetized. But the thing is that they don't pay. That's the truth. So talking about if DramaRush is now real or fake, is DramaRush real or fake? From as the time I was making this video, from my investigation, researches, and the information I have gathered, revealed that this DramaRush here is a fake earning platform and do not pay users. They don't pay users. From feedbacks of people, you will see how people are lamenting, crying, how they have watched video, wasted data. If you go to check Play Store on their reviews, you will see the negative reviews people are giving. When I saw that, I said, let me test it myself to see if what people are saying is actually truth. And then that is when this one, the previous platform I just mentioned, reflected on my memory, in my memory. I just remember that they are all the same. They don't pay, and that's the reason why I'm always telling my viewers to make research. Whenever you come across any platform that claims to be money making, the first thing you need to do is to make research and also have question this: what is their source of income, and are they transparent enough to share their revenue with users? So these are the things we need to consider before joining any platform. So when I downloaded this app, I tested it, and then when I try withdrawing, I can't withdraw. The moment you try withdrawing, they will even increase the coins for you. They will tell you to earn more coins. So that is what they kept doing. And when you succeeded, the withdrawal will be pending, so they don't pay. So from my own experiences using this platform known as DramaRush, they don't pay users. Instead, this is what they are doing. They are using their users as source or means of traffic. Now, when you are watching these videos, you discover that even when you download the app, before the even app open, you will discover that advertisement will just fill everywhere. So those advertisements is a sign that this platform is monetized, and the platform might generate revenue from their users' activities. But the problem here is that they are not sharing some percentage of that revenue to their users. They keep promising users that they will pay you, and at the end, they don't pay. So that's it. So if you are asking for the legitimacy of this platform, if it is legit or scam, then as the time I was making this video, this platform has been confirmed a fake earning platform. So here are the things we need to take note of. This platform does not ask people for investment, and they don't ask people to deposit. So what they are doing is they are just using people as means of traffic. That's all. They don't scam people. They don't ask people for money. So these are the things we need to take note. So when we are talking about if it is real or fake, they are fake because they don't pay user. They don't keep to their promise. They are only asking user to earn, and after user earn, they don't pay them, and which makes them fake platform. So that is it. So have you been using this DramaRush, and what are your own experiences? You can also share this video. You can also share it in the comment section of this video. You can share your own experiences and thoughts in the comment section of this video. And then don't forget there is love in sharing. A lot of people are watching endless videos on daily basis, claiming coin with the hope of cashing out big without knowing that this platform doesn't pay, without knowing that this platform is a fake. And you may be saving a lot of people today by sharing this video. And may God bless you as you share this video. Thank you, and remain sparky.